Namaskar, I am Tiyasha Chatterjee from Bharat. I am a student of music and have been learning music since my childhood from my first guru, my mother, Srimati Jyoti Chatterjee, my guru, Sri Ashok Bhattacharya, and my guru, Sri Joy Bhattacharya. Today, I am very much honored and privileged to get this wonderful opportunity to celebrate the 163rd birth anniversary of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, who have faced several laurels and inculcated the incredible culture to express emotions not only through writing but also through poems, dictations, songs and music. My sincere gratitude and kind regards to the entire team of Consulate General of India in Shanghai for providing me this wonderful opportunity to pay homage to Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore on this auspicious day to be with me. So now, I will be beginning my recital with the Rabindra Sangit Nobo Anande Jago from Puja or Worship Porjay. Delightfully wake up with the promising rays of sunlight to a life beautiful as the white color, bright with love and clean. Look at the fountain of life evolves, songs of euphoria usher hopes. Serene breeze carries the scent of heavenly flowers. This is translated by Sri Anjan Ganguly. No. I roam about alone, a soul in the midst of the great world, under the great sky, following eternal time and wonder. You are master of the world within the cocoon of perpetual mystery, distinctly silent in your awe-inspiring abode. In this unending world of time and space, in these endless bright spheres of assortment, you are staring at me while I stare at you. When it is you in front and I continue to be within you, lonesome, daring, all noises fade away, tranquil prevails everywhere. This is translated by Sri Anjan Ganguly. Christmas, shivering across the grass fields, conch sound resonates the heaven. Drum beats on the earth, moment of approaching resurrection. The citadel gates of Glum are reduced to rubble. In expectation of rejuvenation, the air echoes, "Fear not, fear not." Sky fills with exuberance of joy. Mankind be victorious, mankind be victorious. This is translated by Sri Anjan Ganguly. Oi Mahamano Ashi, Oi Mahamano Ashi, Dike Dike romancho lage, Mardo dhoni ghashe ghashe. You are the truth, the blissful and the loving, starlight in the darkness, in whose heart you reside. Sorrow will he overcome. All sorrow will he overcome. Your knowledge, your meditation, your name has immeasurable sweetness. He who is your devotee, he knows. To whom you reveal your knowledge, only he knows. This is translated by Srimati Devjani Ghosh. difficult to identify the true meaning that underlies his texts. But what is truly great about Gurudev is that his songs are identifiable with any and every possible mood, with every possible situation that is encountered by a person in the course of life. This truly reinforces the notion that Rabindra Sangeet has at its heart some unbelievably powerful poetry. From his countless creations, now I will be presenting my next presentation with He Nikhilo Bharo Dharono Vishwa Vidhata. He Nikhilo Bharo Dharono Vishwa Vidhata, He Boludata Mahakaro Radhusharo, He Nikhilo Bharo Dharono Vishwa Vidhata, Kamuna Japamana Gathiro Vishwashitara, Kamuna Japamana Gathiro Vishwashitara, Ananta Deshokalo, Ananta Deshokalo, Jope Devara, He Nikhilo Bharo Dharono Vishwa Vidhata, He Boludata Mahakaro Radhusharo, He Nikhilo Bharo Dharono Vishwa Vidhata. My concluding presentation for today is Borisho Dhara Majhe Shantir Bari. Besprinkled with peace on the earth, people with arid heart throng, look up seeking your bestowage. All gloom be dispelled, fascinations disapproved, liberation from grief and repentances. Heart to be unclouded, life be impregnable, obstructions be eradicated, unreasonable jealousy, undue notion of disguise. Vague is the idea of honor. Dole out love to the rock-heated ones, you are the one to hail. This is translated by Sri Anjan Ganguly. Borisho Dhara Majhe Shantiro Bari, Borisho Dhara Majhe Shantiro Bari, Shushko Hridayo Loye Ache Darai, Shushko Hridayo Loye Ache Darai, Urdhva Mukhe Naro Nari, Borisho Dhara Majhe Shantiro Bari. না থাকে অন্ধকার, না থাকে মোহ পাপ, না থাকে শোক পরিতাপ, না থাকে অন্ধকার, না থাকে মোহ পাপ, না থাকে শোক পরিতাপ, হৃদয় বিমল হোক প্রাণ not the least, I convey and extend my heartiest gratitude and kind regards to the entire team of Consulate General of India in Shanghai for this beautiful opportunity. Look forward to see you all in live. Hope you enjoyed, hope you liked it. Namaskar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.